where is your office? Hi, my name is Roger and I help people and businesses work from any place and anytime. Unboxing video. Alright, I'm going to do my first unboxing video. Right, and I'm going to do the Apple Magic Keyboard. Alright, it's for the iPad. See how the sexy line here? Wow! So if you see the commercial,
I'm always walking to the same old place, just in case I see your face. I'm gonna buy a drink and while I wait, I'ma eat my cake, make the same mistakes. I know that you don't think that I can be the one, but I can be your one. I may be acting crazy now, it's getting late. You took my heart away, but I'll be okay, 'cause in my dream world, I'm still your dream girl. No ifs, buts, or maybes, I'm still your baby. Ooh, I'm still your dream girl. Ooh, I'm still your dream girl. Ooh, I'm still your dream girl.
this is the most talked about keyboard currently, and it's not cheap, but do you think this is worth the price? We find out soon. So for unboxing videos that I see on YouTube, they always have their own unboxing knife. Okay, so of course in the video I also want to have my original unboxing knife. So this is my unboxing knife, and we're gonna see how I open up the actually Apple is so thoughtful. There is a tab here to open, so I don't even have to use the knife. Yeah. Okay. So it's easy. Wow. Alright, so let's open up the box. Wow, the box has a nice feel here. Solid. And then this is the with the frame here. Wow. Okay. Oh, I have to smell the new leather smell. Oh, in fact, this is soft touch. And there is actually a subtle Apple logo here, right? Do you see that? Yeah, so it's very subtle. Very nice feel. Whoa! So there is the Apple instructions. Magic keyboard. Alright, how you use it. Anyway, nobody reads them anyway. Right? Okay, just put this away. Wow, this feels like really nicely made. It's solid. See? And this hanger, it's very solid. It's very nice. Very nice feel of the keyboard. I heard the keyboard is the same keyboard they use on the 16-inch and the new MacBook Air. Is the same butterfly keyboard. Okay, it's very nice. So this is my iPad 2018. It's not the new one, it's a 2018. So for people who are using the old iPad, you are safe. Okay, case. And oh my god! Oh my god! It just snapped. It's magic. It just snapped. Wow. Wow. You see that? Wow. The movement is so smooth. Wow. I could do this whole day.
I can do this all day. Yeah, I know.
So this is my first unboxing video of the iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. Alright, I'm very excited. I'm using the 2018 iPad Pro, and this will suit the 2020 iPad Pro as well. The look is good, the feel is very good. I hope it performs just as good. So I'm going to challenge myself for next week. I'm not going to touch my laptop. I'm going to use this as a fully 100% laptop replacement. And next week on What Tech Wednesday, I will review what do I think about this laptop. Is it worth the price? And what application do I use? And how can we use this to the max? And what are the cons of this keyboard? So till then, I see you next week. And tomorrow, don't forget the exciting coffee shop talk Thursday. I see you. Peace.